cool. Look at this. Hey, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Hello. Please choose what would you like to buy. Let's please do it one at a time.
Okay. I want this yellow car.
And you have to insert $2 here.
1 second, please. Guys, relax. It's just a toy. Hello, are you still here? Sorry, I don't have cash on me right now.
Okay, you can go.
Wow, hello, Batman.
Hi, Alex.
Hi.
What would you like to buy? Oh, no worries. I have something for you.
Thank you. Purple. Pink. Yellow. Oh no, my inflatables. Whoa, that looks fun. I want to try it. Hi.
Hi, what would you like?
This orange absorbing ball.
Oh, okay.
That's what I really wanted.
No, stop. Stop, no.
I did not expect that coming.
What would you like, Dasha? Ooh, that's pretty big.
Amazing.
Hey, Maria, come here. Let's have some fun.
Yay!
Woo! Cheetah. Monkey. Now let's go on the slide.
Stop. No jumping in the pool.
Maria, I got some watermelon for you.
Oh, nice. Oopsie.
What have I done? Oh, I'm so unlucky.
Stop. No food next to the pool. And no running next to the pool.
I'm sorry, I'll clear it up.
No worries, Ivan. I'll help you clean it up.
It's so sad that we can't eat it anymore. But it's okay, at least we got it.
Why are you so sad?
I wanted to share this watermelon, but I slipped and it went to the pool.
No worries, Ivan.
Thank you, Grandma. Is this for me?
Yes.
Maria, come here. Help yourself. There's fruits. Sharing is caring. Let's go to the pool.
Yeah! a dream. Ah! Help! Ah! Itchy, itchy, itchy. Scratch, scratch, scratch. I feel much better. Thank you, Grandma. Oh, itchy, itchy, itchy. Go away, 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 go away. Oh no, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Itchy, itchy, itchy. My mosquito bite is so itchy.
Oi. Don't worry, Alex. I will put some ointment on it.
Thank you, Grandma. I feel much better now.
Put on a patch.
Mosquito, go away.
So itchy! Mosquito, go away! Mosquito, go away!
Hurry, they flew away.
Itchy, itchy, itchy. So itchy. Oh, I feel so much better. Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
Yes, mosquitoes go away.
Let's play a soccer ball. Oh no, it's broken. I need a new pencil. Not here. Wow, I found them. Finished. Now let's draw a uniform. How uniform looks. Wow, this is a magic pencil. Now I draw a superhero costume. Done. Yahoo, Pikachu! I want double machine. Wow, there's just some more. Wow! Oh no, my pencils! Now I have to think more carefully. Let's go to the real world. I think this This is a play center. Hooray! I feel so hungry. Fruits, burger, or picnic? One of each. Hello, is anybody here? I want one burger, please. Hello, just a minute, please. Hello, is anybody here? I want a croissant, please. Hello, I'll take your order. Hi there, can I have one banana, please? Okay, it will be done in a minute. Enjoy. Wait a minute, it's story food. I'm hungry. Oh, my magic pencil. I had to find my magic pencil. Oh, no! It's not here. I thought I liked you. This is just what I need. Let's draw a burger. Awesome! Done. It's yummy. I'm bored. I want to play a friend would. I want something that looks like this. I'm done. Wow. This will be my new friend. Hi, Donald. Let's be friends. Oh no! What are you doing? I have to stop the fire! Quick, quick! I need the pencil to draw my way out! Oh no! That was such an adventure. Who is coming? What do I do with all of this?
Are you ready, Alex? It's time to go. Wow, such a clean room.
Yes, Dad, let's go.
Let's find a blanket for Steffi.
Let's wolf it down. The box is empty. No worries, we just need to go shopping. Just need to ask Dad to go with me. Daddy, do you have a moment?
What's wrong?
We're out of cereal. We need to go to the shop to buy some groceries.
Oh, really? Well, let's go then. Welcome, my princess.
Thank you, Dad.
Ready, steady.
Go!
Let's go, let's go. Which one do we want?
I want to go walk.
Let's go.
I'm ready to go.
Let's go. Oh, look there.
Oh, look, Choco Avenue. I think we have to go there.
Okay.
Dad, can I have some chocolate bars?
No, darling. Sweets are very unhealthy. That's not what we came for, right?
Right. Cereal. Let's go find them first. Oh, I see it there. That's what we need. Cereal. Oh, I love those.
Those.
Yes.
Good choice.
Yummy!
How about delicious Nutella?
No, Steffi, not today.
Oh. Can I have this one? It's cute and small.
No, Steffi, we are not buying sweets. Let's make a deal. You can take one little thing, but you have to choose something healthy.
Deal. Can I have this one? It's so interesting. What is inside?
No, Steffi, we made a deal.
If I open it, we have to buy it.
Steffi. What are you up to?
Nothing, I'm just thinking.
Are you hiding anything?
Hmm,
No cheating, young lady.
Sorry, Dad. Dad, we need some milk.
Wow, good remembering. Look, milk.
I feel a little bit tired.
How about fresh fruits?
Pineapple,
Okay, what else?
mango,
Mango. What else?
dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Okay, let's go. Do you like any of these toys? We can buy. It's kind of cold here. Let's find a blanket for Steffi. Oh, it's what I need. Exactly what I need. I don't think she wants shop anymore. Let's take Steffi home.
Wait, I have an idea, but I need your help. Now let's run!
Dasha, Ivan, I have an idea. Help me out.
Okay, what is it?
Let's put the tires here.
Okay.
Faster.
That's good enough.
Great job, guys. Gorillas, let's run.
Oh,
Ivan, faster, come on.
look! We can use these lockers to block the front door. Come on.
Yeah.
Na 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 na. I'll have the lollipop. They left.
I think they were just scared of us. Yes, we are safe.
I'm so stressed out protecting this candy.
Here, take this poppet. It should help.
Okay. I'm not stressed out anymore.
Someone is ringing the doorbell. Do you hear?
Wait. Look, after this, I'll go check it out.
Hey? Huh?
What is this? Maria, I need your help. We received a huge package.
Coming.
What a huge package.
I wonder what's inside, Ivan.
I don't know. Maybe someone sent us a surprise.
Surprise? I hope it's a giant dollhouse.
No, I hope it's a new ATV.
Ha!
What is this? Come on, fast, fast. Look. We can use these balls to slow down the gorillas. Got the lollipop. Let's go, come on. Na, we still got the lollipop and candy. The other gorilla! No, they stole our candy. I was saving it for Dad.
Don't worry, Ivan. I'll call the police and they will catch them quickly. Hello, police speaking. 3 gorillas, yellow, pink, and green, went to our house and stole our candy. We want you to catch them, please.
Yes, please.
Don't worry, we will catch them. I need to print the photo of the criminals. Let's catch those criminals. Stop! 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 Stop, gorilla! Stop, gorilla! There's gorillas! Alex, 3 gorillas are running towards you! Stop them! Okay. Stop it now! You can't break the law. Here's your property.
Thank you for your service.
And don't eat so many sweets. It's bad for your teeth. Mine is better.
Not tasty.
Nobody wants to buy my popcorn.
Huh?
Come to me. My popcorn is the best. Try my popcorn. My popcorn is the best. Yummy! My popcorn is the best. I got tasty toppings. Kiwi, strawberry, apricot. My popcorn is the best because I have different colors. Mine is better. No, mine is better. Mine is better. Mine is better. What is going on? Hello, dear customers. Buy my popcorn. It's very tasty. Buy my popcorn. It has many colors. Ooh, I have different toppings. Kiwi, strawberry, and apricot.
Wow, toppings.
I have many colors. Green, red, and blue. Wow, colors! Buy my popcorn, please. Please. I like color popcorn.
Okay.
Stealing my customers. What popcorn would you like? 1 red popcorn, please.
1 green and blue, please. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Not tasty.
There's no flavor. Let's go back to return it.
Yeah, let's go.
Sorry, I want to return this popcorn. Why? It has no flavor. Try my popcorn. It's very tasty.
I like it.
Please, 1 popcorn with apricot.
1 popcorn with kiwi, please.
Looks so delicious.
Thank you, Dasha. Bye.
Dasha took away all my customers.
Huh?
Popcorn! Buy my popcorn. My popcorn is the best. Try my popcorn.
I will definitely try both. But first, I want to try Dash's popcorn.
Nobody wants to buy my popcorn.
Can I have strawberry popcorn, please? Thank you. Smells delicious. I also want to try Steffi's popcorn. Where's Steffi? Do you know where Steffi? Steffi! Where are you, Steffi? Oh, here you are. What's wrong, Steffi?
Nobody wants to buy my popcorn.
I wanted to buy your popcorn, but the shop was closed.
Really?
Yes!
I would love to make you some. Let's go. Maria, what color do you want? I have blue, red, and green.
Can I have green popcorn, please?
Okay.
This looks yummy. Thank you. Wait, something's missing. Dasha, can I have your popcorn with kiwi, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Dasha, try this popcorn, please.
Tastes good, but something is missing.
Steffi, try this popcorn. Trust me.
Tastes good, but it's missing some colors.
I think you guys are missing each other.
Right. Dasha, you make the best flavors. And you make the best colors. Okay, let's work together then. Let's do it. Steffi, can you prepare the colors? Sure, I can.
Here you go.
Let's make red popcorn.
Uh-oh, it's such a mess.
What should we do? I don't know. One red popcorn for me, please.
Ooh, rainbow popcorn. Cool. Can I have one, please?
Of course. This is our new rainbow popcorn. I want rainbow popcorn too. Sure. Thank you for popcorn, guys. Yeah. I don't like that movie.
Alex, are you serious? Give it back.
No, give it back.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
I want to watch my stuff.
Okay, Alex, let's play it fair. If you get the remote from me, TV is yours.
Ivan, that's not funny. Where's Ivan?
I confused him. I have a great idea. But I can't do it alone. Let's go. Maria, Steffi, Tasha, I need your help. We need to move all these shapes in the living room fast.
No problem.
I think it's gonna take a long time. Come on, Steffi, come on.
Load it up.
Okay. Thank you, Steffi. Come on, Dasha, come on.
Okay, let's do it.
Thank you, Dasha. Come on.
You're welcome, Ivan.
I need more help. Maria!
Fill it up, quick.
Wow, such a big net.
There's no time to talk.
Okay. I'm tired.
Let's switch.
Too much shapes. I think that's enough. Thank you, Maria. It's good to have many sisters.
I've done my part.
Hey, Steffi, Dasha, come help me. Thanks, guys.
Oh, here's Ivan.
Is that it?
Okay, fair enough. Thank you, girls. You really helped me a lot.
You're welcome, Ivan. Is there anything else we can do for you?
Actually, yes. I need you to make a trap for Alex.
We'll be done.
So, how do we make a trap?
I have an idea. Now let's fill it up with shapes.
Whew, we got a lot of work to do.
Time to build. Just what I need. Alex, where are you? The remote is here.
Ivan, give me the remote.
Take it if you can.
I think I can make it. I did it.
Great job, Alex. I still got the remote, but Alex will notice it soon. I should prepare. Let's build a barricade.
I will watch what they want. Why the remote is not working? Ivan tricked me. It's not one remote.
It's done. Alex, come here. I still have the remote. Alex, come here. Alex, I'm here.
What is this? Ivan, I will get you. Ivan, it's not fair.
My game, my rules.
Ivan, I get you.
Wait, I can hold back Alex again. Let's get started. I like it, but let's speed it up. Alex, I'm here. Come catch me if you can.
What is that again?
I'm so close. Try to get to me.
Ivan, I will catch you.
Not today.
Give me back my remote. Done. Wow. Give me back my remote. I think Alex is coming. We need to hide. Ivan, give me my remote.
Huh? Wow! Such a cool surprise! Kids, come join me!
Where's my remote?
Alex, too much TV is bad for you! Come and join us!